Okay, we're going to have a good time tonight. We're going to make some easy Dutch oven lasagna. This is so easy and it's so yummy. And it's great for camping because you can prepare all this and separate each item in Ziplocs. Then when you get to camp, just layer it in the Dutch oven and go to town. What I'm going to do is I'm going to brown my hamburger first. And so we're going to do that over the fire. So I have a pound of hamburger here and we're just going to brown this up. When it gets done, we'll add some tomatoes in there and a little seasoning, and then we'll start building the lasagna. So let's just kind of slide that over. We'll get that cooking, and when it starts cooking here in a little bit, we'll see you back. That's some beef's good, no grease. Okay, the ground beef's done, so I raised it up a little. I'm going to kind of swing it off. We're going to put in 2 cans of diced tomatoes. That. And the hamburger, if you want to brown it, you can brown it in your Dutch oven. Just set it on like 15 or 20 briquettes and just brown it up, and then you can do it that way. I just figured I'd cook it on the fire because this is going to cook for like 45 minutes, and that's about the life of your coals. So this will make it good. The coals, yeah, good times. So what I'm going to do, let's see, it started raining a little bit, but this is some Italian seasoning. Just kind of put a little bit in here. I don't think we need all that there. Let's go with that. And we'll stir it up. Okay. I'm just going to kind of let this sit over the fire a little bit while we build the lasagna. So I think that's good. Hopefully the wind won't kick a ton of ashes, but I guess that's what happens when you're camping. So we're doing good. So let's set that there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my 10-inch Dutch oven. So I have it here. We're going to pour a little olive oil in the bottom. I got my briquettes lit here. So, and then I have these cheese raviolis. So I'm just going to put a layer of these in the bottom of the Dutch oven. This is cool. So what you can do is you can just pack some of these in a Ziploc for your layers. Let's do that. Here comes the train. Oh, I dropped one. Okay. I'm going to get my glove and we're going to get some of this meat sauce. Put it in here. I'm going to put half of it. Looks pretty good right there. Set that there. Yeah, that's pretty dang good. So this will cook, once we get it cooking, we're going to cook this at 375 for about 35 to 45 minutes. We'll just kind of keep checking it. Now we have Idaho cheese, mozzarella. I love buying local, so I was excited to see this when I went to the store. Just kind of put a layer of this mozzarella cheese. Pretty dang good. And we're going to do another layer of these. Good times. We've been seeing a ton of deer in our yard, pheasants, all kinds of wildlife cruising around. hot sauce. Just put the rest on. It's going to fill this Dutch oven right up. Smear this off the fire. Okay. Oops. That was not bad manners. Good beer, I think. So there's a weed right there.
It's rosemary.
Oh, is it rosemary?
Yeah.
It looked like one of these weeds.
It's not. It was a piece of rosemary. That's funny.
Oh, this is going to be so good.
There's a weed.
Okay, so there's another layer of mozzarella. That looks pretty dang good. And then I have some Parmesan. I'm just going to sprinkle this on the top. Yeah, that fit pretty dang good in this 10-inch Dutch oven. You can kind of just add to the recipe if you're using your 12-inch Dutch oven, or if you like more meat or whatever. Yeah, this is great. So I'll just put the lid on. These coals, they're about ready. Probably 5-10 more minutes. We'll get this cooking, so we'll see you back. Okay, here we go. The briquettes are ready. So with the 10-inch Dutch oven, we talked about it. With that Dutch oven's full, I'm going to up the temperature to 400 degrees. So the 10-inch Dutch oven, we want 8 on the bottom. Just set the Dutch oven right there. And then you want 18 on top. 5, 10, 15. We'll just kind of go with that. And then I lit some extras. I'm just going to just kind of put it off to the edge in case we need to up the temperature just a little bit when we check it. But I think we'll let it cook for maybe 25 minutes, then we'll see how it's doing. So we'll see you back. Okay, we're gonna check it. We was gonna check it at 25 minutes, but it's about 3 or 4 minutes early, because man, I can smell this. I just want to make sure that we don't burn the cheese on the top. Oh my heck, look at that lasagna. Man, I think it's done.
It smells good.
So what I'm gonna do is, I think that's pretty, that took we had our timer set for 25 minutes and it's been 21 minutes, but I upped the temperature to 400. We was gonna do 375. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoot the bottom coals off and just leave the top coals on for 10 minutes. And then at that point, then we'll take it off and we'll check it, and then we're gonna let it rest for 5 or 10 minutes before we take a sample. So we'll see you back. All right, let's check this out. Oh yeah, it's still bubbling. Look at that cheese on the top. That's pretty dang cool. Look at that. It's kind of, oh my heck. Okay, let me get a plate. Let's dish this up and have a look. Oh, look at those raviolis. It's layered great. Gotta love cheese. Look at all that cheese. Yummy. There's only Jenny and I here tonight. We should have some guests over to help us eat this yummy lasagna. Yeah, look at this. Easy lasagna. I mean,
Raviolis?
This is raviolis, Jenny, but this is easy lasagna.
Okay.
Is what the recipe is. Easy lasagna.
All right.
So yeah, let's try. I'll try a ravioli first since you said ravioli. Yummy. Look at that. Cheese. There we go. That's pretty dang good. That flavor is awesome. Yeah. Try this. Hope you like this video. Yeah, good times. See you next time.